In this Levidio Audio Pro review, I'm going to be showing you how you can get your hands on 100% original studio quality audio backgrounds that you can use in all of your videos, and you won't have to worry about getting a YouTube copyright strike or getting in trouble with anyone else. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Levidio Audio Pro, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. The last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses here. All these bonuses will be waiting for you. Of course, if you purchase through my link, they'll all be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, make your video 10 times better with 100% original studio quality audio backgrounds. First to market, original audio solution for any project. Say goodbye to copyright issues. So essentially, this is copyright-free music that you can use for all your videos. I personally have paid a ton of money to get audio for my videos. Now you won't have to worry about doing that. You can have all your audio in one place. It not only does it have audio, but it also has like sound effects and stuff. You go in there, you choose from a huge collection of 100% unique studio quality audio. You import it into any video using any kind of software that you want. You can use the software that you're comfortable with, and then you can export your video. Essentially, the kind of music that this has in it, they've got all the different music on the sales page. I'm not going to play it for you because I don't want it to be distorted coming from here to my microphone. I don't want you to think it sounds bad. So make sure you come to the sales page. You can watch or listen to the audio here, and you can also check out, they've got different like music openers on this page. They've got different sound effects that you can use for your videos, or you can use them for podcasts too. You can use them for pretty much anything you want. All of these different things that you can use these audios for. And of course, it's a one-time price. Now what I'm going to do is play you a quick little video explaining this all a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back and show you the OTOs.
How would you like it if you could transform your video from this to this? Feel the difference? Yes, audio has always been a critical part of video or any digital media. Audio brings more engagement and gives you the power to touch the emotions of your audience. But the problem is, most audio has copyright issues. You should be ready to say goodbye to your digital projects at any time. Free audio is too mainstream. It's used by millions of people. So it's not actually free because you have to give attribution. Plus, the artist can change his mind and take down your video at any time. You can always purchase premium audio, but it will cost you hundreds of dollars for one piece of audio with a standard license. Don't worry, we found you a solution. Introducing Levidio Audio Pro, the first to market a 100% original all-in-one audio solution to help you create better and more engaging videos, podcasts, e-learning courses, and presentations using any software that you already have. We can guarantee you that all audio in Levidio Audio Pro is 100% unique, exclusively made by our team in the studio to produce premium audio for your project needs. Take note, we are not reselling audio from free audio or a stock media site. Levidio Audio Pro is the most complete solution for anyone to start creating the best videos, podcasts, e-learning courses, presentations, or any other digital projects using any software that they already own. Yes, the Levidio Audio Pro is compatible with any video software in the world, so you can take your video from this to this. Now you can say goodbye to expensive audio tracks, copyright issues, and headaches. So what are you waiting for? Get Levidio Audio Pro today and access 100% original, royalty-free, legal bundles of sound effects and background tracks for you and your client's project.
Okay, so here's the backend area that you're going to have access to after you purchase. You're going to be able to download all of your audio in one place. Now, there are multiple OTOs here. The first one is going to give you even more audios and sound effects and video templates with a commercial license for all of them included inside of this optional OTO here. The next one you're going to see is a bundle of a bunch of their other past products. Again, it has animations, cinemagic, stuff here. It's got different things for your social media feeds and personal branding. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I think about Levidio Audio Pro? What do I like about it? What don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about this, it's not like a software that you can use. This isn't like an audio creator or video creator. So if you want a toy to play with, this isn't it. What do I like about this? Audio is one of those things that are great to be used in sales videos. If you ever watch a sales video that doesn't have audio in it, it really kind of sounds kind of weird. When I say audio, I mean like an audio background. So if you're looking for a way of making your videos look nicer and sound nicer, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Levidio Audio Pro, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.